Hey, welcome back to another episode of Memo's Garage AZ. In this episode, I'm going to be installing gold reflective thermal wrap on both of my cold air intakes, and which I got from Z1 Motorsports. This is one of those really kind of annoying installs. Takes quite a bit. It's a little bit messy, but at the end, I think it's definitely worth it. And I will be doing another video in the future of the differences between the temperatures. I definitely have noticed a difference, so it definitely does work. I know in the past I've seen videos of people saying that they really don't do anything, but you know, a couple degree differences, maybe 3 or 4, but you know, still very, you know, anything's better, especially out here in Arizona. So anyways, let's get started. Thanks again for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let me know what you think at the end, if this is something you were thinking about doing, and you know, hopefully maybe this helps you with you know, with what the process entails. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna be wrapping my intake tubes with this heat repellent, heat protectant from the engine bay. These are pretty common, you know, pretty much everybody's seen these before. So I got 2 sheets just like this from Z1 Motorsports, and I think if I cut in half, I should have enough coverage to cover from here to here, and the other half from here to here, and they'll give me some wiggle room to, you know, to make some cuts to go around, like for like this breather tube here, around the map sensor mounting point here, and this mounting bracket. Also, from what I've read online, the sticky part of the gold tape, tape, doesn't always stay. It's not that strong. It doesn't last that long, so it starts to peel off. So what I bought to fight against that, and this is what I read: you buy some multi-purpose adhesive. I'm gonna spray that on the tube before I put this on, and then that'll help it keep it down. Hopefully, at least that's the theory. first piece. It's not perfect. It's got wrinkles in it, and I really don't care. What I learned from the first one I did was try to get the surfaces that are straight first out of the way, because then that way your tape will lay down a little nicer. So like here, here. So these two chunks right here you can get out of the way pretty easy, and then after that you can just cut pieces that'll fit around these areas. Obviously when I get to here, I'm gonna have to figure out how to I might just go up to here and here, and then maybe just lay down a piece of strip here. So moving on. So there it is. This one much better because I focus on the big spots first, like where there's no bends. And then I just went back and, you know, cut other pieces to fit in there. Obviously there's always going to be wrinkles. You can't, it's impossible to not have them. But overall, I think this one's much better compared to the first.